Hello everyone. We will start a new topic that is the basic terms of the about the DBMS. First of all, it is a relation. That what is whenever I tell you that what is a relation, or whenever we call a new relation, that is called a table. I'm talking about the table, like the employee table. So employee is a relation. So second term is a tuple. If I'm talking about a one row, for example, this is an employee table, and this one is the employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. Okay, so these are the three columns. So if we will talk about the tuple, what is a tuple? A single row is called the tuple, in which the uh, every attribute have some value, so it is called a tuple. A row is called a tuple. If I'm talking about the attribute, so attribute is a column, like EID is one attribute of the relation employee, and employee name is the second one attribute, and so on. So attribute is the, if I am talking about, or anywhere you have to if you have learned about the attribute, a table has these attributes, means we are talking about the columns. So these are the basic terminology. So same like that one, there is a relation schema. If we are uh, talking about the relation schema, what is the relation schema? So relation schema is the table name. If I'm taking it, relation schema employee, so employee is a relation schema. Okay, so let me tell you about the basic things. Let me table R having attributes A1, A2, A3, and so on. So maybe, so these are all the attributes. Okay, these are all called the attribute. This is the table name. This whole thing is called the relation schema. This whole thing is like employee table. For example, this one, employee table name, and what are the attributes? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary. So these are the attributes. So it is called the, so this whole thing is called the relation schema. Okay, so next terminology, next term, I will talk about the degree of relation. Degree of relation. So it is also called a order of relation, or degree of relation is the number of attributes. So basically it is sometimes written as like this one, a degree of relation table, this one having 3, because there are number of attributes are 3. For the employee table, if I'm talking about the degree of relationship or degree of number of attributes in this one, employee, this is the symbol, and so how many attributes are there? 3. So it is 3, degree of relation is 3. So these are the basic terms. So what are the other terms, other basic terms regarding this one? If domain of a table, if we're talking at domain, like the set of values that has been taken, like one second, a set of values. For example, the same table, employee, sorry, it's taking a little bit long. So employee ID, employee name, employee salary. Okay, so if we are talking about the domain, for example, employee ID is in numbers, for so that's why its domain is integer, it's taking a value as integer. So employee name, it will take in the variable character, so varchar. Okay, so these are called the domains. Salary in digits, so it is also in integers. So set of values means what kind of values it has been taken. A particular attribute will take what kind of values. Is it taking a integer value, floating value, character values, or date values, whatever set of values it will take. So that is called the domain of the relation. So I think that is all about the normal basic terms. So we will discuss the other things in the next videos also. Thank you.